Hollandaise is an emulsion sauce. It's a little bit like mayonnaise, except we're using butter instead of oil, and we're applying heat to the acid in the egg yolks to help thicken the sauce. I've got a bowl with my egg yolks and vinegar, and I'm sitting over a pan of simmering water. This way I can take the bowl off if there's a risk of the sauce becoming too hot and curdling. As with mayonnaise, and as with most things to do with eggs, I'm going to add the liquid in gradually, especially to begin with, just a little bit at a time, so that the temperature finds its equilibrium and the eggs don't scramble. I'll keep whisking and keep whisking. It's really important to keep this mix moving and keep an eye on the temperature. If it seems to be thickening rapidly and it's getting too warm, then I'll take the bowl off the heat. I'm gradually adding more and more butter until all the butter is incorporated. Once the butter is incorporated, it's simply a case of carrying on with the whisk until the sauce looks like it's become thick. Add some salt and pepper and make sure you take it off the heat between the point where it's become thick enough and before it scrambles. Hollandaise you should make and use, in my opinion. Make it and eat it for breakfast. Make it and have it on your asparagus or your fish. But don't try and store it. If you try and store it, the butter sets hard, becomes nearly impossible to reheat, and it's not really what Hollandaise is about. Make as much as you need, use it in one go, and then get rid of it.